Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the town of Drinkwater, Saskatchewan, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Canadian prairies. Drinkwater boasts a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century when settlers first arrived in the area. The name Drinkwater is said to have originated from a local legend about a traveler who, upon finding the clear and refreshing waters of the area, exclaimed, "This is the best drink of water I've ever had." Since then, the name has stuck, symbolizing the town's connection to the land and its natural resources. Over the years, the community has thrived on the strength of its agricultural heritage. Whether you are passing through or looking to stay a while, Drinkwater offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the simple life of rural Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Drinkwater, Saskatchewan.